Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on the Zevo flying insect trap. So you're going to plug this into your outlet. Now we got to activate it first. There's a really sticky part right here, but I want to talk about it. You can plug it in. There's these lights here. You can rotate it if your plug is the opposite way. You want this to be facing up. So these lights are going to attract the bugs and they're going to stick right here. Now when you're done with this sticky part, you are going to be able to take this off, get rid of this, and put a new one here. This will always stay here like this. And then when you get the new one, pull this. Again, be very careful. It's really sticky. That is really sticky. All right, let's plug it into a wall outlet. There's what it looks like. The light does stay on all the time. And when the lights are on, there's what it looks like. Again, the bugs will be attracted to this area. You can leave it plugged in. To change it, just simply pull this out, peel the sticky part off, and put it in. Sticks out from the wall about 3 inches. Overall, it's about 6.5 inches. Left to right, about 4. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.